Morning, Jess.
Good morning.
Congratulations, you have received 1 million plus words this year.
Show me how many Lexi got.
Checking on that. Lexi got 0 words this year.
Again? Transfer 999,983 words to Lexi.
Transferring 999,983 words.
Make my number of words private.
Privating.
Sup, loser?
Are you actually going to talk this year?
And succumb to the system?
It's nice to hear you talk once a year, so I know your voice is still annoying.
Love ya.
Hey, can I sit here? She won't talk to you. Why not? She's boycotting the system. She's been